Hi, welcome back to another episode of School of Sketching. During the last 5 episodes, we explored some of the different places artists draw inspiration from. We are going to be cycling back with another 4-part series, beginning with another episode on what artists see. Last week, we focused on how artists use colors, lines, and shapes to express how they feel. This week, we'll explore how artists use different perspectives to create unique art pieces. The way that objects are seen depends on who is looking at them. For example, an ant is going to see most of the objects in your room as gigantic, even though they probably look small to you. Today we're going to be drawing a picture from a bird's eye view. A bird's eye view is when you look at objects from directly above them so that you only see the tops of the objects. We want you to use this perspective to draw what a desk or table in your house would look like if you were a bird. For our project today, you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and some coloring supplies. I'm going to be drawing my desk today. Before I start drawing, I'm going to stand up and lean over my desk to get a better idea of how it looks from a bird's eye view. If the table is too tall, you can always safely stand on a chair so you can look at the objects on your table from a higher location. Now that I have a better idea of what my desk looks like from a bird's eye view, I'm going to start outlining the sides of my desk on my paper. Then I'm going to start drawing the biggest object on my desk, which is a record player that is shaped like a briefcase. There are some paintbrushes sticking out from under my record player, so I'll draw the tops of those next. I also have a hair tie and some string on my desk, so I'll draw those on the side. Moving on, I'm going to draw the rest of my record player as well as the open book that is sitting on top of it. If you forget what something looks like from a bird's eye view, just stand up again and take a good look before you get back to drawing. Now that I have finished outlining all of the objects on my desk, I'm going to use my oil pastels and my crayons to add some color to my drawing. Use your coloring supplies to add details that you didn't include in your pencil drawing. And here's my finished drawing of my desk from a bird's eye view. This was really fun to make since I don't normally draw things from this perspective. I hope you enjoyed this week's School of Sketching episode. As usual, thanks for watching and subscribe if you want to see more fun art videos. We would love to see your bird's eye view drawings, so submit pictures of them to this link and we'll feature them in our upcoming videos.